Stop doing it.
It was not me.
Who else has their thumb there?
You too.
You too.
You too did it.
Shadow said it too.
Shadow! What are you doing?
Cats
Shadow!
The chairs.
Everything's falling apart. This ain't moving, man. It's right now. I don't know what I'm doing.
We need room management.
Housekeeping. Housekeeping, where are you? Yeah.
So sexy.
Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Is it over yet? I'm tired of this. Finally, the cat's out.
See, guys? See what I'm talking about?
What's my arrow
King
doing here?
of Raining Men.
What's
King
my
of-
arrow doing here? You put my arrow there.
Alright, who won?
Drew.
Me.
Drew is the king of raining men.
Guys, if you heard Melissa just say that, that is the title of this video now. That is gonna be the title. You can stop recording now.
Hit the button.